Update React component every second. I have been playing around with React and have the following time component that just renders date now to the screen. What would be the best way to get this component to update every second to redraw the time from a React perspective? You need to use setInterval to trigger the change, but you also need to clear the timer when the component unmounts to prevent it leaving errors and leaking memory. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.